Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the high memory usage or high RAM usage in Windows 10. So before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. Okay, and now once you're done, we can start. So first of all, what you want to do is just go open the start menu and type regedit or registry editor. So click on it, and now go to HQ local machine. So expand system, expand control set 001, and expand services. Now once you're here, what you want to do is just click on NDU. So just let me find it. Okay, so there it is. NDU. Click on it, and what you want to do is double click on start and change the value data from 2 to 4. So just delete the 2 and enter 4. Click on OK and close the registry editor. Now what you want to do is just restart your PC and see if this fixed your problem. If this fix didn't work for you, I have one more method to show you, and that is to open the start menu, type services, and open the desktop app. Now once you're here, what you want to do is just look for Superfetch. There it is. Double click on it. It should be stopped and disabled. So if it is on manual or automatic, just disable it. Click on disabled, startup type disabled, click on apply and click on OK. If you can't change the startup type, then the server status might be running. To do that, just click on stop and the server status will be stopped. Click on OK and restart your PC again. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.